Have a look at these sentences. I didn't make a video yesterday, I watched a film instead. She didn't get married, she preferred to remain single instead. He didn't say anything, preferring instead to wait for the right moment. I would like a black coffee, please. There's no coffee, would you like a cup of tea instead? The word instead is an adverb. It means as a substitute or in the place of someone or something. Now have a look at these sentences. Instead of getting married, he preferred to remain single. You can have tea instead of coffee if you want. Instead of is a complex preposition. Instead of means in the place of someone or something. But as you have just seen, we use instead and instead of differently.